Hello friends! Welcome to Daily Sourdough. Now that you've been cooking a variety of sourdough foods in your kitchen, are people asking you, why sourdough? What is so good about sourdough? Today I'm going to help you answer that question with 11 reasons that sourdough is beneficial to your health. Besides being delicious, sourdough provides healthy bacteria. Sourdough is a fermented food which fosters more beneficial bacteria. This increase of good bacteria then fights off the bad bacteria in your gut. It's also easy to digest. The yeast and bacteria composition begin to break down the starches in the grain as the bread ferments, making it easier for your gut to digest. Sourdough is better for gluten sensitivity. The extensive soaking, rinsing, and fermentation period means that much of the gluten is broken down into amino acids before you even consume it. Even those with mild gluten sensitivities find it easier to digest. It also has a lower glycemic index. Because the sourdough is fermented and some of the starches are pre-digested as it ferments, it won't cause your blood sugar to rise so drastically. It also contains good acid. Lactobacillus is a good bacteria found in sourdough, which results in higher levels of lactic acid. Larger quantities of lactic acid result in easier digestion and accessibility of more minerals. Eating sourdough will help you have less yeast in your body. Healthy bacteria in sourdough works to reduce yeast populations in your body, making the likelihood of yeast infections and overgrowth lower. Sourdough acts as a prebiotic, which means the fiber in the bread feeds the good bacteria in your intestines. Eating sourdough will reduce bloating and digestive discomfort. The wild yeast and lactobacillus in the sourdough neutralize the phytic acid. A long fermentation can reduce phytates by up to 90%, reducing bloating and digestive discomfort. Sourdough also helps you absorb more nutrients. Phytic acid molecules bind with other minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and zinc, making them unavailable for your body to absorb. Reducing that phytic acid frees these minerals, allowing you to absorb them. It also contains natural preservatives. Sourdough bread contains acetic acid, which naturally prevents the growth of mold. Sourdough bread is the oldest form of leavened bread and is part of a natural diet. So friends, if you're considering giving up on sourdough because of the effort it takes to keep it going, remind yourself of the tremendous health benefits you and your family are reaping while you feed on the best bread ever baked. And stay tuned for more ways on how to use your sourdough daily.